What is up today, YouTube? So I'm filming this intro at work, and this weekend I've been working on building a built-in entertainment center slash bookshelves in my living room with my wife, so I forgot to post this video, but it's going up today, so I hope you guys do enjoy it. A little while ago I built a China bank for handboarding, and we just got a session in on it, so I hope you guys do enjoy it, and as always, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Have a great day, guys, and keep pushing forward.